Come on. There you go, Streamlabs. All right. Let's get into our game. Oh, right. Excuse me. So we left off with Burb being sad because he doesn't belong with the other birds. Hi, Kim. Good morning. Oh. Oh, no. You do big sad run. How are you, Kim? I hope your Friday is going decent. Besides the whole bonus thing. That fucking sucks. And I'm upset for you. That makes me very sad. But other than that, I hope your morning is going well. Oh. I'm not... Okay, I see. Cranky, but I have an interview and I got shortlisted for another job that does actually pay decently. Well, I wish you all the luck on your interview, and I hope that you get what you rightly deserve. Oh, I almost died. And I am sending you all the good vibes today. All of them. Oh. Why am I like this? I don't belong anywhere. That's not true, Burb. He do big sing. He has his own song. I just woke up and I forgot about all the feels in this game. I almost actually started singing along with this song. It's a Songbird. Oh no. Oh no. This is one way to start off of the morning. Oh. It is really cute. I love this. Even though I'm sucking at it, it's so cute. The water reflections are really cool too. Oops. Oh. Oh boy. Aw. The song's so good. It was a little awful. Oops. Did I get some good sleep? Excuse me. I went to bed at like 9:30 and I played some games on my phone for like an hour and then I tried falling asleep and I think I slept solidly for at least 3 hours and then I was kind of tossing and turning the last couple hours of sleep. So yeah, I need to find a way to unwind before bed. I think what I need to do is bring the going to bed early and the solid sleep. Yeah, I tried. I did. I've actually been awake since like 3 a.m. though. And almost started streaming early, but I got some things done in the house that are quiet, so I did that at least. Did some dishes and stuff. You a songbird? Oh, Burb. I'm so glad you're okay. Mom! It's Mom! Your mother. Your mother? My mother? I knew you wouldn't believe me. I'm no longer the lyrebird I used to be. Well, you're a lyrebird. Bless. Ever since that night? The night of the attack. The attack? Yes. It started as a night like any other. Peaceful, tranquil. Fuck you, Owl. I knew he was sus. Nobody ever heard the silent wing beats of the owl. The next thing we knew, it was utter chaos. Lyrebird. Excuse you, traffic. This. Lyrebirds were getting silenced left and right. I tried my best to run away with your egg, but the owl was onto me. I couldn't risk endangering you, so I had no choice but to leave you behind. I hid you in some bushes as best I could, and that's where Uncle P found me. Yes, I failed you. I couldn't be by your side when you hatched. All I could do was hide. I was terrified. I couldn't let anybody know I was still alive. I couldn't risk the owl knowing that he failed to finish the job. Thankfully, the owl had been distracted with that artifact of his. His efforts to fill it with notes made him forget about us. But then one day I heard that he'd been making quick progress. Imagine my surprise when I saw you waddling around. Excuse me. Hi, Misha's mom. Hello. How are you? Hope your day is going well. Welcome in. I knew then that you were the one helping the owl. You tried to stop me. Unsuccessfully, yes. I didn't think you would believe me if I just revealed myself to you. After all, I don't know how the owl got you to agree to help him. But I couldn't just let you continue to help the owl in his dastardly plans. Dastardly plans. So I had to get some help from the magpies. I knew they hated the owl just as much as I do. So they were the only ones I could trust. I was actually quite proud. You were a persistent little bird. The owl found out about me and you. Yes, he did. And I knew then that I could no longer hide myself. I had to come in and save you. It took me all the courage I could muster. Ma'am, Burb, what is it? What's the matter? The peacock. He's been bird-napped. Oh no. By the owl. Good. Hope you're having a good day too. I am. It's 5 a.m. for me, so it's still a little early to start my day, but it's going well so far, and it's Friday, so I can't complain. Look at her face. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I went from chat to the screen and I saw her face. Not Uncle P, no, I know. Uncle P got kidnapped, got bird napped. Oh my goodness. I love her face. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture. All right. No, Uncle P. It's all my fault. Oh no. We need to stop him. Let's go, Burb. Oh, now she's raring to go. Hell yeah. Look at them. Adorable. Whee! I don't know where we're going, but we're going. Oh my god, look at Mom's with us and she's so angry. Oh, Uncle P. Burb. No, you shouldn't be here. Oh, well, should have seen that coming. Well. Looks like we have a family gathering going on. I must apologize, Burb. I was too hasty, too rash. God, that face. I didn't want to believe it. My sweet, young, innocent Burb? A lyrebird? To think I supported you. I was fully prepared to help you find your parents. But when I found out that you were going to turn into those obnoxious, loathsome lyrebirds, I felt so betrayed, so hurt. But no, I still shouldn't have lashed out at you then. Your apologies mean nothing. Don't you dare act like you regret your actions. Oh, but I do. Killing you then would have pushed back my plans quite a bit. But now, here you are again. And with your dear mother too. I get to complete the artifact, and finally, Finally, rid the world of the lyrebirds. 2 songbirds, 1 stone. Well then, I know you have the last note I need. Now sing it nice and clear for the artifact, or you'll never see the peacock dance again. Don't do it, Burb. It's my fault you're in here in danger, Uncle P. I'll never forgive myself if anything were to happen to you. You raised me from when I was just a hatchling. You taught me my first note and how to dance. Yet I left you alone. And now you're in danger because of me. No, I should have been honest from the start. I was just scared. Scared that if I admitted that we were different, you would treat me differently and immediately leave me. But I never thought about how you might feel. Confused with no answers to be found. I don't blame you for leaving. It's my fault we're in this mess. Enough of your incessant chirping. So, Burb, what will you do? You'll never get away with this, Owl. Quiet. You wretched lyrebird will wait your turn. Now, Burb. My patience grows thin. I'll do it. I'll sing. That's right, Burb. I knew you wouldn't disappoint me. Now sing for me. Sing. What is this, Phantom of the Opera? Wait, am I thinking of the right thing? No. I'm thinking of The Little Mermaid. Wrong one. Ursula wants Ariel to sing. I mean, Phantom of the Opera would probably fit. It's been a long time since I've seen Phantom of the Opera. Yeah. Okay, thank you for validating that. Yes, we have to stop him somehow. Stop me? Who can stop me now? Don't stop me now. Having such a good time. Having a ball. Oh no, it's begun. Oh my god. What? What is he? What? Goodbye, lyrebirds. Let's see how you survive this time. Oh. Oh. Egbert! Egbert! My boy! My baby boy! He's back! My boy wouldn't leave. What are you doing here? I heard the Songbird song and I went to find you. I had a feeling you'd come back here. We've got to stop the owl. Oh, you're a lifesaver, Egbert. Quick, let's free the others. No! Don't worry about us. You need to go stop the owl, now. There's no time. We believe in you, Burb. Stay safe. I will. I'll come back for you. Egbert, protect them. Oh, oops. My boy Egbert coming in clutch. Oh, god damn it. Why am I an idiot? Why am I like this? I just didn't want to fall, so I was being super careful. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Good morning, Dave. Hi. Oh boy. This is... Come on. Hi, Dave. Good morning. I hope your Friday is going well. I hope the audit went well yesterday. I see the feather and I don't actually care this time. I'm so focused on the platforming. You're taking the day off today, right, Dave? I hope you have a good Friday off. I'm jealous. Audit went well and I am not at work today. Hell yeah. I think you're just in time for the final song that I am totally going to butcher here. Holy Jesus, that was loud, dude. Even for me, I am sorry. I am so sorry for how loud that was. I am not singing. Yep, off to a great start. Oh, what? What was that? This is rough. My fingers don't want to work this morning on this. My brain and fingers are not translating. I like Owl's final form. It's super cool. It's like Plague Doctor. It is super cool though. I can't focus on it too much. I'm focusing on the notes way more. I don't like that one. Hi, Tim. What if you're a baby plague Dr. Owl? We actually found out we're a lyrebird, the songbirds. Oh my god. Sing. I am not singing. Oh no, not the spinny ones. Yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, Odos. Odos. I don't know what's happening anymore. uh, I will catch up on chat in a second. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's happening anymore. Nailed it. I don't. Oh. I'm trying. Oh, okay, okay. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. I apologize about the flashing lights. Fuck you, owl. Fucking hell. Yeah. Let me catch up on chat. Hello, guys. Hi, Tim. Welcome in. Yeah, I missed the Lyrebird part. Yep. We're Songbird. We found our mom. Our mom is trapped with Uncle P right now. GIF, am I right? Hell yeah, Friday. It's Friday. Stuff, yes. Smart man. Very tired. I am also very tired. That's all week with boss on vacation, me handling shit plus mine plus prep for the audit. Yeah, no more, please and thank you. I am not 100%ing excellent this run game. No, thank you. Well, I have 3 weeks to leave that I have to use before January 1st, and I have no idea when I can use it. Ugh. Use it for Christmas. Just take like all of December off. Say fuck it. Easy peasy. No. 7 days of PTO, carry over 7, but still 20 days plus 2 roaming holidays. Yeah. I still have my 2 holidays, and I have like just a little over a week of vacation that I can take. But I'm saving it because I've got plans for that. So, and it all carries over to next year as long as I don't go over 80 hours. But hello, hi guys. Burb. Oh yeah, and Egbert. Egbert hatched. So that's Egbert. He's cool. He's not a peacock. He's a different bird that we met. I forgot what they're called already. Take all the Fridays off. That was so cool. I knew you had it in you. Oh, that's mom. That's mom. I'm so proud of you. I'm glad you're safe. I'm glad you're safe too, Uncle P. Here, let me introduce you. This is Egbert. He's a friend I made when I went to look for the chickens. He just hatched. Nice to meet you, sir. Oh, what a polite young chick. And this is my mother, a lyrebird. It's a pleasure to finally meet you, P. I can't thank you enough for taking care of Burb all this time and accepting him as your own. Oh, the pleasure is all mine. To think my young Burb is a lyrebird. Yeah, let's go home. I want to show Mom something. Oh, what is it? Ooh, can I come and see too? Of course you can, Egbert. Something cool I learned. It's called Uncle P's Smooth Moves. Oh. I don't know if we want to show Mom his smooth moves. Oh my god, we finished the game, y'all. Do I have to... Do I have to do anything? Because I'm scared to put the controller down right now. I did it, though. Oh my god, all the dance moves. Oh, fuck you, owl. Aw. Got a week of plus of PTO, and I got 3 or 4 days I'm taking at the beginning of September, but we'll see. I hope you get to take that time off. A bunch of people are taking vacation at the end of this month, beginning of next month. Aww. They're so cute. So maybe once they're back, I might take some time as well. Family will be in town, so yeah. Aw. Why are all the jobs so shitty? I'm lucky and I don't have a super terrible shitty job. I actually like my job, but I know it's not the same for everybody. I'm a Taliburb. That's my kind of burb. Any partial weeks just to make the 3 full weeks, yeah. There's a bird named Poot. Yes, there was. It was a fairy chicken. So, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you missed Poot. Poot was pretty great. I just wanted to see if there was something after the credits or not. So once we know for sure, I will take a quick break to figure out our next game. Because once again, I am not prepared for the next game. Aww. Look at them. A big happy family. Climb with the wheel. No. I want my mornings to be chill and fun, not stress inducing. Oh, Phasmo. Oh yes. Yeah. Let's I'm gonna try 100% that game tomorrow. I'm sure Joe would enjoy watching you try and 100% that game.